millions of Americans who rely on Social Security, SSDI, or SSI could be eligible for a $2,200 stimulus payment as part of the latest federal support initiatives. This payment is designed to provide financial relief for seniors, people with disabilities, and others who depend on these programs for their daily needs. The government has confirmed that the distribution of these payments will begin on Monday, September 1st, making this an important date for many households. Recipients of Social Security, SSDI, and SSI do not need to apply separately to receive this payment. The funds will be distributed automatically, using the same accounts where benefits are typically deposited. This process aims to make it as simple as possible for eligible individuals to access the money without needing to navigate complicated paperwork or deadlines. The exact amount, $2,200, reflects the federal administration's effort to address rising costs and economic pressures that many seniors and disabled individuals face. For many households, this payment can help cover essential expenses such as groceries, utility bills, rent, or medical costs. The government emphasizes that these payments are part of an ongoing effort to support Americans who may be financially vulnerable. Social Security recipients can expect the funds to arrive in their bank accounts or through their usual delivery method on or shortly after September 1st. Those who receive paper checks through the mail may experience slight delays depending on Postal Service timing, but the majority of electronic deposits will be processed directly on the payment date. For individuals who are unsure about their eligibility, the key factor is that they must currently receive Social Security, SSDI, or SSI benefits. There are no additional income requirements or applications required for these payments. Eligible individuals who already receive benefits will automatically be included in the distribution. This stimulus payment comes at a time when many Americans are facing increased living costs, particularly for housing, healthcare, and food. Rent and mortgage payments have risen in many areas, and utility bills continue to take up a significant portion of household income. Healthcare costs, including prescription medications, medical visits, and insurance premiums, are also increasing, placing additional strain on seniors and individuals with disabilities. Rising food prices have affected families nationwide, making everyday essentials more expensive than before. The federal government has stated that this program is intended to ease some of that financial pressure, ensuring that vulnerable populations have the resources they need to manage day-to-day expenses and maintain a basic standard of living. For many recipients, this $2,200 payment could mean the difference between covering necessary bills on time or facing late fees or financial stress. It may help individuals pay for groceries, medications, utilities, transportation costs, or other essential needs. By providing this financial support, the government aims to reduce the immediate economic strain on those who rely on Social Security, SSDI, or SSI benefits for their monthly income. It is important for recipients to monitor their bank accounts or mail for the arrival of the payment. Most individuals who have direct deposit set up will see the funds appear in their accounts on or shortly after Monday, September 1st. Those who receive paper checks through the mail should allow extra time for delivery, as Postal Service processing may take a few additional days. In the unlikely event that a payment does not arrive, individuals should contact the Social Security Administration for guidance. The SSA has dedicated resources to help address any issues or delays in receiving the stimulus payment, including phone lines, online portals, and in-person support options at local offices. Ensuring that contact information and banking details are current can help avoid any interruptions or delays in receiving funds. In addition to providing immediate financial relief to individuals and families, this payment is also expected to have a broader economic impact. When millions of Americans receive additional funds, many will use the money to pay for essential goods and services. This increased spending can boost local businesses, support service providers, and stimulate economic activity within communities. The ripple effect generated by these payments is one of the reasons stimulus initiatives are considered an important tool for supporting the broader economy during times of financial pressure or uncertainty. Recipients should also remember that this is a one-time payment. It is meant to provide temporary relief rather than serve as a recurring monthly benefit. Planning how to use the $2,200 wisely can help maximize its impact. Many recipients may choose to allocate a portion of the payment to cover immediate bills or essentials while setting aside some funds for future or unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies or urgent repairs. Careful budgeting can help extend the benefits of this stimulus and provide additional financial stability in the weeks or months ahead. The government is committed to ensuring that these payments reach all eligible recipients efficiently. Automated deposits and established mailing processes are designed to minimize errors and delays. Federal officials have emphasized the importance of verifying that direct deposit information is up to date and that there are no banking or mailing issues that could prevent a payment from being received. By addressing potential problems in advance, the government seeks to provide a smooth and reliable distribution process for all recipients. This $2,200 stimulus payment demonstrates a continued effort by the federal government to support vulnerable populations who rely on Social Security, SSDI, or SSI benefits. For many, it will provide temporary relief during a period of rising costs, allowing them to manage essential expenses with less financial stress. By distributing the payment automatically and without the need for additional applications, the government aims to remove barriers and ensure that assistance reaches those who need it most. Recipients are encouraged to monitor their accounts or mail closely, take steps to ensure their contact and banking information is current, and use the payment strategically financial needs. While this is not a recurring benefit, the $2,200 payment represents a significant opportunity to address immediate expenses, plan for upcoming needs, and reduce the stress associated with rising living costs. Ultimately, this initiative is part of the federal government's broader effort to provide relief to Americans who depend on essential benefit programs for income and well-being. By delivering timely support, the government aims to help seniors, people with disabilities, and other vulnerable populations maintain stability, meet basic needs, and navigate financial challenges with greater confidence. Disclaimer: this information is provided for general informational purposes only and is based on currently available federal guidance. Eligibility for the $2,200 stimulus payment depends on receiving Social Security, SSDI, or SSI benefits. The timing and amount of payments may vary depending on individual circumstances. Recipients should verify their information with the Social Security Administration and monitor official announcements for any updates. This content does not constitute financial advice, and individuals should consult official government sources or qualified professionals for guidance specific to their situation.